Hello guys, before going to start embedded C programming, I would like to explain basics of embedded systems. In this video, I am going to explain the difference between a microcontroller and a microprocessor. So what is a microprocessor? Microprocessor is an IC which has only the CPU inside them. So what is a CPU? Which performs arithmetic and logical operations. That is nothing but a processor. The examples are like Pentium, i3, i5 and etc. Microprocessors don't have any inbuilt RAM, ROM or any other peripherals on the chip. Whereas in microcontroller, it has a CPU in addition with fixed amount of RAM, ROM and other peripherals all embedded on a single chip. The examples are like 8051, AVR, ARM, PIC microcontrollers. There are different types of microcontrollers like 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit microcontrollers. As shown in the below image, the CPU is interfaced with external peripherals like RAM, ROM, IO ports, timers and etc. with separate buses. So whereas in microcontroller, so all these peripherals like CPU, RAM, ROM, IO ports, timers manufactured in a single chip. So next is, microprocessors find applications where tasks are unspecific, like developing a software like games, websites or photo editing tools, or creating document tools like Word, etc. In such cases, the relationship between input and output is not defined. They need high amount of resources like RAM, ROM, IO ports, etc. So inside a computer we have a processor to perform complex tasks. The cost of entire system is high in microprocessors because of external interfaces. So whereas in microcontrollers, these are designed to perform specific tasks. So microcontrollers are designed to perform specific task. Specific task means applications where the relationship of input and output is well defined. Depending on the input, some processing needs to be done and output is delivered. For example, like washing machines, digital cameras, micro ovens, digital watches, etc. Since the applications are very specific, they need small resources like RAM, ROM, IO ports, etc. So that is, all these resources are limited and hence can be embedded on a single chip. This in turn reduces the size and cost of the system. The clock speed of microprocessor is in GHz. That is the reason microprocessors are faster. And the clock speed of the microcontroller is in megahertz range. So these are slower compared to microprocessors. So due to external component interfacing, the total power consumption is high in microprocessors. And whereas in microcontrollers, so less power consumption. Overall, the size of the system is large. So whereas in microcontrollers, the overall size is small. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.